Well, tonight, as the U.S. marks the deaths of more than 400,000 Americans from COVID, mutations of the virus are rapidly popping up across the country. So far, vaccines seem to be effective against these new variants. CBS's David Begnaud reports tonight from Michigan.
Tonight, the race to vaccinate remains urgent as new COVID variants are being detected. The UK variant is now showing up in at least 20 states, which appears to be 50% more contagious. Are the vaccines going to work against the new mutations of the virus?
At this point, we have a concern that the vaccines may be challenged, meaning that they may have reduced the capability of preventing disease.
Which makes vaccinating now even more critical. And the nation's most populous city has a critical problem with their vaccine supply.
At the rate we are going, we will begin to run out on Thursday. We will have literally nothing left to give as of Friday.
But in Michigan, where we are tonight, there is a scramble to get the vaccine to underserved rural communities. So twice a week, Dr. Richard Bates loads a cooler filled with the Pfizer vaccine and drives 2.5 hours to a small town hospital.
It was important for us that every community felt connected and felt that they weren't left out.
Across Michigan, the vaccine rollout is in full swing.
All done.
Here in Lansing, they're giving injections inside of what used to be a Sears service center. You used to be able to get your oil changed here. Now you can get an injection. They got the cars lined up outside the doors, people waiting in the snow. Tonight, a moment of reflection for the 400,000 people lost forever to this pandemic, including Betty Gallagher, or Mrs. Betty, as she was affectionately called, by those at Alabama's Coosa Valley Medical Center. She died last week with COVID inside the same hospital where she worked as an ER nurse for 43 years. They called Miss Betty a mentor to everyone. Tonight, we're in the state of Michigan. Nearly 15,000 Michiganders have died with coronavirus. As we go on the air, the COVID testing continues. In fact, Nora, right before we came to do this live shot, we confirmed that today the state of Michigan had the fewest number of new COVID cases since last October.
Good to see those vaccines going out, David. Thank you so much.